up, Lazada addicts? I'm new with Lazada. This was my first order. I'm going to go ahead and unbox everything. Well, as you see out here, it's got a message now on my phone that they're gonna drop off my my last item I ordered. So let's go here. Let's see here. I ordered the Chuwi i10 Plus. Okay, just to let you know, I already opened all this already, but I was hoping that they all come together at the same time, but they did not. Obviously they don't. So this Chuwi i10 Plus, God, I love it. It's so great. You know, I watch all the reviews on YouTube. I watch everything before I bought every item that I have here to see which ones are better. And I'll tell you that this item here, I can't be any happier about it. Well, this is the I'm not gonna get this, but this is Chuwi High Plus. I don't know if you can get all this, but let's see. This is nice. This is really nice. It has Windows. It's dual. Android, Windows, everything you can think of. It's really beautiful thing. Okay, I love this thing. All right, well, we can get to that another time. So the reason I ordered this is so I can do some editing on videos and everything else. So go ahead and put this to the side. So I got the camcorder coming in. So I ordered this UC stabilizer with 3 shoes. So I can put light, mic, another light, whatever I want to put on top. I can put my cell phone here for another LED display. And I got the microphone. So got the microphone. And I got the light. So let's go ahead and check this out. So I would put the microphone to the side. Let's see, there's a USB port here, so I won't put the mic on this side, I'll put it on the left side. Just like that. And this light will be right on top. The reason why I like this light particularly is that it takes batteries and also has a plug for my power bank too. So if you don't want to use batteries or your battery's dead, you can go ahead and plug this in here. Just plug this in here like that. Turn on your power bank. Turn this on, and you got light. Now I love this one. You can dim it or make it brighter. And not just that. These are magnetic, they come off. So you have this one, and you have that one. Wow, big difference. So you can go ahead and put your batteries in the back, or you can go ahead and use your power bank as a power source. Oh, I love that thing. Oh. Then then I got this tripod, right? This tripod here is a lot more than what I expected. Okay, this is a tripod. Okay, it's bigger than that. It goes 4 feet 10 inches, but it's actually 5 feet when you extend the neck on top. I was surprised. I usually want it just like this, but anyways. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I got the tripod. Let me see if we can get that on screen. Let's see. All right. So, let's see. So I was wondering with this tripod. Look at it. I thought it just goes up and down, left and right, but this thing's smooth like butter. I mean, it's very, very beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this around this way. And I didn't know on this thing here, I could even adapt. I get this. And I could put this right on here. So this is a cool thing, just like so. So now this is adapted to this here. And I could put this on here as well. So when I'm doing filming, see this tripod, I mean this, I could hold it like this, I could face this that way and put the camera that way, or I could go this way. But also, it goes on here too. So now tell me that's not badass, man. This is badass. And for the price, I don't know if you get that, but for the price, that's pretty damn well. So what I mean by I'm 6'2", so this is good already. It's perfect, just like that, because I have the screen comes out here. My camera, it's a flip screen, or you can go put it higher, right at eyesight. See how high that is already? Look, I'm 6'2". You can't beat that price. You cannot beat that price at all. Let's pull out a little bit more. So you can imagine, I'm 6'2". Look at this thing. For 20 bucks, very sturdy, very strong. And this, oh, yeah, I love this. You know what I mean? This is a little wiggly because when something's on here, obviously it won't be wiggly because it'll be tied down. The camcorder or camera or DSLR would be here. It's going to be held down. So look at that. So you can move it anyway. Just keep it like that. But look, this is nice, huh? Woo! I'm happy. I'm very happy. The only thing I returned back to Lazada was I ordered the light bulb camera. It didn't connect to my Wi-Fi. So yeah, that's pretty badass, man. I'm very happy. So I got all that. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. So I'm a new Lazada addict and started my new YouTube channel on another channel. I explain that later when I get everything up and running. But it's gonna be a interesting channel. So I'll let y'all know when I get everything in for my channel, for my video, And for what I have planned and what my intentions are for all these equipment, there'll be pretty good pranks. So, and I know it's gonna really work out. So I'm in the Philippines right now, and I could build up a good fan base pretty well. You will see.